Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free via our website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website name is FaucetPayCoin. This website pay you instantly to your FaucetPay. This is a new Faucet website available, and this is the all cryptocurrency this website pay you. This website support, and this is a lot of people making withdrawal from this website. First of all, click register button and you can put your email, username, password, and confirm password. You can easily make an account in here. It's too easy. Okay, after you make an account, just click login. To you login your account, I have already account, just I click login to show you how you can start earning. Okay, this is the account. First of all, you log in this account. Do one thing favor, just confirm the email address to send you to your Gmail to you put to making an account. Okay, just confirm that email address. After that, you confirm it, you can start earning from this website. It is easy way you can withdraw from this website. Okay, just click this three dot, and the first we're earning from here is if it's a manual faucet. Just click manual faucet. You can easily make manual faucet every 5 minutes. Sorry, just show me one advertisement. Every 5 minutes you can claim that much amount of the tokens. And first of all, solve this capture. Is two available capture in here. After solving the capture, just click your reward. This website pay you your balance. Okay, your amount. And the next way earning is the short links. You can visit the short links and you can earn some coins just visiting the short links. It's 30 short links available in here. You can easily visit and you can earn tokens. The next way is a PTC hats. You can watch the PTC hats and you can earn this much tokens. This too easy to watch PTC hats. The next way is a lottery ticket. You can buy a lottery ticket. You can participate in contests, but right now it's no available contents in here. The next way is a task. You can complete this task. This is the task. Just sign up as this person and you can easily make that much amount. The offer wall need to level 10. You can easily make it. The next way is a ladder board. Right now no contest available in the ladder board too, and that's the website. And I just come down to show you the withdrawal proof. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is 1000 tokens. If you're reaching 1000 tokens, you can easily make withdrawal 1000 tokens. Okay, this is all cryptocurrency this website pay you to your faucet pay instantly. And thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself and start earning. Bye bye for now.